Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun little get ready with me for you guys. So today I actually got invited to a graduation party, which I'm so excited about. Arlene's sister just graduated from college, which is so cool. I'm literally so proud of her. Giselle, if you're watching this, I'm so proud of you. Literally, I witnessed her. She has worked so hard for this. These cars, oh my god. So yeah, so Arlene's sister is graduating. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and also give this video a big thumbs up because you are already here, so might as well. If you guys want to see how I created this look and how I got ready, then just keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows, and I also primed my eyelid. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my face. This is the Photo Finish foundation primer. I'm just putting this like right here. This is like where my pores kind of seem to show up the most. I've been breaking out a little bit, and I also have like some redness. So I'm using the LA Girl with color correcting concealer. I'm just gonna put this wherever I feel like I have like spots and like redness. I'm gonna do my eyes, and then we're gonna go back into the face afterwards. I'm gonna be using this palette. This is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I never really use it that much, so I decided to pull it out and play with it today. I'm just gonna get some brushes and let's get started. So I'm gonna do this color right here. Literally just kind of blending that color very lightly on my crease and just like the outer area of my eye. I really just kind of want this to be a really neutral, super basic eye. Nothing too crazy. Just like a chill little vibe, you know. So I want it to be a little bit darker. Let's see. I'm gonna add this color right here, and I'm gonna take it in a brush like this, so it's kind of like pretty small. And I'm literally just putting this right on my outer corner. So this is literally nothing crazy or nothing hard. It's a chill little vibe. Okay, and I'm just going back and forth with the other color that I used earlier for my transition color. And I'm just using that to blend out like the darker color that we just put on there. If you guys hear music, it's my parents. They're having like a little cookout outside. It looks like pretty decent, I guess. The color Angelic, it's like a really pretty goldy kind of like pink color, and my outfit today is like really pink, and like you guys will see it. Stay tuned till the end to see my outfit because I'm really excited for it. Really put this right like in the center of the lid. I have no idea how to pronounce this, but this is just like a light champagne color, and I'm gonna use this for like my inner corner. I'm just literally gonna place it right in my inner corner. That's all we're doing for eyeshadow. I'm gonna do my eyeliner that I do every single day. So I start off in the middle and then do the little wing. You guys have seen me do this like many times, I'm pretty sure. Now we're gonna do our face. I love doing my face makeup. It's like my favorite thing ever. Oh my god, what is this? So like, it's a highlighter, yeah?
Yes, it's a liquid highlighter.
Okay. I'm trying something new today. This is NARS Orgasm liquid highlighter. You guys know that I love liquid highlighter. My sister already tried it. She said it's like kind of hard to use, so I want to play around with it and see how it works. So that's the cool thing about having a sister. You can use her shit and then buy it if you like it. Shut up, because you do that to me too. Like, so I'm going out today, so you know I want to put a lot on just for fun. Yeah, I'm like, my parents are having a cookout. Wait, what is this, rock?
No.
It's like rave music.
No, it's like...
I look hella tan. And this foundation looks too light. Cream contour with this. This is Stila little contour kit thing.
For like, if you want to do like a full look, for it to be like,
Tarte Creaseless Concealer. And this one I've been trying out. It's kind of like mad thick. Kind of thick. Vamos a ver. Okay, so I guess like the dropper sucks.
Yeah.
Super liquidy. Okay, so maybe I'm not gonna buy it.
See, like it's very clear.
Very like water.
Yeah. But look at the bottle.
Bitch. No, okay, I can kind of see it. It's like, you know, a little
it's like pinkish.
Oh my god, this concealer is nice actually. Cierto, mira. Whoa.
But like, tell me the bottle is not that cute.
Yes. Then I'm gonna add a little bit more of this. Un poquitico y ya, marica. Oh, I think you have to go slowly.
Yeah, and but when you try to go slowly, see?
Like on top with the concealer. Very pretty, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe we'll buy it. Finish off my eyes, so I'm gonna do mascara, and I'm gonna do eyeliner, and then eyeshadow like on the bottom. Let's see. Should I do black or white eyeliner? I'm gonna go with white. White just for fun. No, I never do black. Actually, yeah, let's do black. Okay, let's get that. I'm just gonna take the two eyeshadows that we used earlier, and I'm just gonna run that under my lash line. Do some bronzer. This is the Smashbox bronzer in the color Warm Matte, and it looks like this. And then I'm also gonna put some of this on my jawline so we can look real snatched. I know, like mad annoying. With their little motorcycles, they're excited that summer is coming.
That's a car.
Oh, it's a car. Like their motorcycle. Okay, let's stop. Next, oh my god, I really like this look right now. NARS blush in the color, the shade Deep Throat. They'd be crazy with their names, like, okay, hi. Okay, oh my god, yeah, I'm just going for the pink today. We love the pink.
Right now I'm going to wipe off all the powder that we were like baking with.
I'm gonna do my eyeliner. Well, I'm gonna like do this thing that I like to do so it makes your like eyeliner look a lot better. I already did like, you know, this half, but what I'm actually gonna do is I'm just gonna take my eyeliner and do a little tiny line in like my inner corner so it looks like your eyeliner is like coming from here, but really it's only coming from literally, and it makes like, I don't know, it makes such a big difference, like
It brightens up. Yeah.
right, like boom, oh hi queen.
It gives you the cat eye effect.
Yeah, literally. Yeah, right. We do a little bit of a nose contour. So I'm just gonna take a little brush like this, and I'm taking that same Smashbox bronzer that we used earlier, and I'm just gonna run this down my nose. We're just gonna make it look, you know, super cute.
Did you hear?
Listen, all the sounds, it's all sound effects. So now I'm gonna do my highlight. I'm super excited. So this is MAC's Show Gold, and what's super cool about this is that it's like a gold highlighter, but it actually looks pink. Like, hold on, I'm gonna put it on. And you guys are gonna see, this is so pretty. And this, like, it looks pink from like certain angles and gold from other angles. And then I'm also gonna put this on my nose with like my ring finger, just like this. Oh my god, this looks so cute. Wow. Okay, so now I'm just gonna line my lips. Okay, and then for lipstick, MAC's Velvet Teddy, and this like used to be my favorite lipstick ever before, and like I stopped using it, but now we're back. This is like the most perfect nude. It's not like too light, but it's also not too dark. And I think that's it for my makeup. I literally just let it air dry and I straightened it, and it looks like this. Looks kind of crazy. You guys honestly don't even need to see my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and change and show you guys my outfit and just show you guys the finished look. I don't know, I have this outfit in my head. I hope it looks nice together. We're gonna try it out and see.
Infinity.
So here is my little outfit. The reason why I thought this was a little bit like crazy and different is because like this is like hot pink and red, and like I know usually like those colors are like next to each other on the color wheel, so it's like weird to pair them together or something. I don't even know, but I think this looks so freaking cute. These shoes also, like, I freaking love them. If you guys saw my New Year's video, you guys saw like I was about to throw these out and like I just could not get rid of these. I bought these literally like, I want to say like 4 or 5 years ago. No, I think like 5 years ago. And I just remember being so excited. Like I ordered them off of American Apparel and I thought they were like super cool. The reason why I ended up like wanting to wear this outfit is because I saw this tweet and it was like Aquarius's, because I like to follow like all those like astrology like meme accounts, and there was this one meme that it was like Aquarius's like go through their closet and they find things that they used to wear in like 5th grade and call it a look. And I thought that was so funny. Literally, that is me. I literally always clean out my closet and I find old things that I used to love and I'm like, I could make this work. So that's literally what happened with these shoes, and like I don't think I'm ever gonna get rid of them because they're so cute, and I'm obsessed with how this outfit and this look came out. I'm also gonna be wearing this little backpack. This is my favorite thing ever. This is like my little Calvin Klein backpack and it literally matches everything, so I'm gonna wear this. So yeah, that is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video and if you enjoyed getting ready with me, make sure to subscribe for more videos. Also like this video if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.